Valentine's Day is the perfect occasion to show your love on how much you care, and what better way to do than by creating a romantic and intimate setting at home. In this video, we will show you how to decorate your table for Valentine's Day and make it a night to remember. First thing first, let's talk about the tablecloth. For Valentine's Day, you can't go wrong with a classic red tablecloth. Not only it is traditional, but it also add a pop of color and add a touch of romance to the table. Next, let's add some candle. Candle create a warmth. First thing first, let's talk about the tablecloth. For Valentine's Day, you can't go wrong with a classic red tablecloth. Not only is it traditional, but it also adds a pop of color and touch of romance to the table. Next, let's add some candle. Candle create a warm and cozy ambience. Perfect for romantic dinner. I recommend it using a mix of different sizes and shapes to add some visual interest to the tables. Now let's add some flowers arrangement. Roses are the perfect flower for Valentine's Day, and they come in a variety of colors. I recommend using a mix of different colors to add some variety and depth to the table. To add some extra romance to the table, you can scatter rose petals across the tablecloth. This creates a beautiful intimate settings that your loved one is assured to appreciate. You can also add some greenery to tables such as eucalyptus or baby breaths. These greens add a fresh and natural touch to the table and complement the roses nicely. Finally, let's add some personal touches to the table. You can add some framed photos of you and your loved one, or write a heartfelt message on a piece of paper or card. These personal touches will make the table feel more even special and intimate. And there you have it, a beautiful decorated table for Valentine's Day. Remember, it's the simple details that make a big impact. So take the time to create a setting that's special and meaningful for you and your loved one. Happy Valentine's Day, and we hope you enjoy your romantic dinner. So guys, don't miss to subscribe our channel for more decorating and lifestyle tips, and share this video with your friends and family members. Okay, bye. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated table for Valentine's Day. Remember, it's the small details that make a big